Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the funded expert advisor for MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 and other platforms. This is a system specifically built to help traders pass prop firm challenges hands-free, and the marketing focuses on low drawdown and challenge success. So let's examine what the public information actually shows and what the real world implications are. So ensure you stick to the end of this video because we are going to be unveiling the full picture. And before we dive into today's expert advisor, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. You can get it for free by using the link in the description below, so ensure you check it out. It's totally worth it. Now, without wasting any much of your time, let's talk about the Funded EA. According to the official site and related material, Funded EA is designed as an automated solution for prop firm challenges such as FTMO, Funded Next, and similar firms. The main quantum version is presented as a disciplined system that avoids greed, martingale, and high frequency trading models. So it aims to reach typical 8 to 10% profit target while keeping drawdown well under the firm's limit. We can see some pictures of some results. This is one from people who have used the account, who have used the expert advisor. They also promise MyFXBook verified results, which we're going to get into in a minute. And also they also show Telegram. They have a Telegram community actually where you can verify the claims and also see some of the live threads which they take, and also relate with some other people on there. This is the Telegram channel. This is the Telegram channel where the developer posts his results, some live results. Here we can see some of them here and how it's working. They also have Discord community where you'll be involved with what is going on with the funded expert advisor. Now they also show MyFXBook challenge accounts with gains in the 5 to 13% range. This is it. And this is this is a claim because it's supposed to be on the MyFXBook page where we can go and see it there and verify live, but it's embedded here and can't really verify this information. This page, it could just be something that's developed, because if we actually want to verify this on MyFXBook, then it should take us to the page, to MyFXBook page, where we can verify and see it. But instead it shows us the verification right here on the site. Now I can't really tell for sure the numbers behind all of this. Can't really tell for sure, but the thing is, we do not have a demo expert advisor. The developer does not provide any demo expert advisor which we can use to run our usual independent back tests to verify and know the back ends and how the funded EA works behind the scenes. But this is all we have here. This promises just show 5 to 13% gains, yeah, and drawdowns between 1.3% and 5%. You can see some of it here. There are separate monthly strategy sets. They have the deluxe and the quantum that post similar controlled results. The overall message is that the EA is built for rule compliant, low risk challenge trading rather than aggressive long term growth. Yeah, basically just to pass prop firm accounts. Yeah. And the key features they highlight are the prop firm focus design, the claims of no greed, no martingale, hard risk controls to stay inside drawdown limits, and multi-strategy versions And also quick setup, they highlight the quick setup. They talk about the quick setup a lot. Says you can install it in just 5 minutes. It is marketed as suitable for both challenge phases and funded accounts, with the ability to run on multiple accounts under one license in some packages. And this expert advisor goes for 497 US dollars. Actually, this is on a discount right now. The main price is $1,497, but they are currently running a 67% discount, which is why it goes for $497. And they also offer some discounts, I guess, but that will require you to join their community. Now, the results are based on historical challenge, performance, and they can differ depending on market conditions and the risk settings used. Challenge optimized systems like this one often look clean because they are tuned for a specific price target, profit target, and strict risk limits. In live funded trading, the same parameters may behave differently once trailing drawdown rules come into play. Yeah, honestly, the thing is, these EAs are built for a specific job, hitting a target with controlled risk. In practice, this means they can be useful for challenges, yeah, but they are not automatically long-term growth engines, especially considering the fact that we do not have a proper live signal to go and verify and test and see for ourselves on an independent website like MyFXBook. MyFXBook, all we have is just this page, which can't really verify this page. We have to see it in an independent website. Yeah, but this page is all they show as regarding their live thread and live accounts, which we can use to verify. Now, my verdict for this EA is that it's pro-firm oriented system that shows control challenge results with low drawdowns on the public accounts. It can suit traders whose main goal is passing challenges with a relatively conservative approach. But I'll say you should avoid it if you want aggressive long-term compounding or expect the same results outside of challenge conditions. I like this video. If this real tests help you out, subscribe and turn on notifications for more honest expert advice or reviews like this one. Drop a comment below which EA you want me to test next, and don't forget to grab that free Forex robot in the description below. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.